What if your favorite drama suddenly spoke your language?
Sorry I'm late.
정말 정신없는 하루였어. Désolé d'être en retard, ça a été une journée tellement folle.
With tools like HitPaw Edimakor, you can now translate drama clips, shows, or videos into Korean, French, German, Japanese, and virtually any language in just minutes while keeping natural voices. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I translated this Euphoria Season 3 clip using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll leave the download link in the description below. Once you install the software, click New Project to begin. Step 2. AI Translate and Dubbing the video. Once you're inside the editor, click Media in the top panel and import your video. Drag it down to the timeline. Now, here comes the magic. Select the video clip on the timeline. Go to the Subtitles tab on the top toolbar and click Video Translator. Since I imported an English clip from Euphoria, I will select English as the source and translate it into Korean. Next, choose your subtitle style. Edimakor offers hundreds of cool presets. Here is the key part. Toggle the dub video switch. This enables AI voice dubbing. You have two ways to choose the voice. Method 1. Clone your voice. Click My Voice, then click to clone. Upload a sample or record directly. Your digital voice is saved in the library forever. Method 2. Choose from the library. If you want a different vibe, pick from Edimakor's massive library. You can filter by style, use case, gender, and even age. Once you're ready, click Auto Subtitling. Wait a few seconds for the AI to render. Your video is translated and dubbed. Step 3. Adjust the audio. You might notice the new voice overlaps with the original English audio.
Sorry I'm late. It's such a crazy day.
No worries, that's an easy fix. Right-click on the video clip, select Vocal Remover, and choose Keep Only Background Sound. In just a few seconds, the original dialogue is gone, leaving you with clean BGM. Let's play it back.
미안해, 늦었어. 정말 정신없는 하루였어.
Sounds like the actors actually spoke Korean on set, right? And that's how you break the language barrier for any video. When you export the video, you can also publish to social media. By adding the specific tags we currently provide, you can earn additional bonus points. Whether you're editing movie reactions or growing a global channel, this tool is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.